So, brood 10 periodical cicada emerging here in southwest Ohio and elsewhere throughout the eastern United States. There's another one. Sorry for the twitch there. I felt a bug on my arm. I just realized it wasn't a bug. It was... So I started feeling these droplets coming from the tree above me. I was like, hey, feels like it's about to rain. But it's not about to rain. It's probably cicada pee, honestly. Apparently they pee a lot. And sometimes it'll just fall from the trees and it'll feel like it's starting to, you know, sprinkle a little bit. Here's my dog. Hello, Bacon. Hello, you're a good boy. And yes, his name is Bacon. If you have any problem with that, I don't know, go away. Here's a cicada over here somewhere. In the grass. I'm looking for him. Here's one. I don't think this one's alive though. This guy probably made it already. This is being recorded. Oh, hi Bacon. Hi Bacon. This is being recorded on June 10th, I think, 2021. And so where I am right now, the cicadas have already been here for like almost a month. Kind of? Like 3 weeks. So we're reaching the closing sort of, we're kind of in the second phase where we're probably going to start seeing them start, you know, disappearing. And honestly, I think I can already, ooh, something smells really bad. I think Bacon pooped over there. But, you know, I think I might already be seeing like a smaller number of cicadas out here. They were crazy. And I'm sure all of you who know what I'm talking about know what I'm talking. I'm gonna try to see if I can get this guy by itself. See if I can focus. It's by itself, you know. And so I don't get peed on again. So I'm having trouble with the fact that he's upside down. It'd be a lot easier to grab and like make him maybe try to, you know, get him to crawl onto my hand if he was like in the grass. Oh, Bacon. Bacon got it. Thanks a lot, Bacon. Jeez, the nerve. This guy is just like sitting here buzzing. Oh, Bacon! You can't just eat every cicada that I'm trying to check out, you know. Well, these mosquitoes are going crazy, even though I put on stuff to make them not go crazy. So I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be able to be out here looking for cicadas if, you know, I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes, one, and then two, there's not that many cicadas out here right now. So, you know, a little bit tough to, it's a predicament, you know. I'm not gonna catch this guy. I think I'm just gonna film and then I'm gonna go inside. But take a picture. Very nice. Alrighty. Let's go inside, Bacon. Just to save the cicadas the trouble of dealing with you.